Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. To begin, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but make sure you do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your odometer reading is clearly displayed on the instrument cluster. Then, locate the trip meter reset button, which is typically found near the odometer display, and be ready to use it for the next steps. Now press and hold down the trip meter reset button. While keeping the button pressed, turn your ignition key to the off position. Immediately after, and without releasing the button, turn the ignition back to the on position. This sequence is crucial for initiating the reset process correctly. Keep holding the button firmly. Continue to hold the trip meter reset button. You will observe the maintenance required light begin to flash several times. After a few moments, the light will completely turn off, which confirms that the reset procedure was successful. Once the light is off, you can finally release the trip meter reset button and you are all done. If the maintenance light remains illuminated after your first attempt, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second try to get it right. Always refer to your specific Toyota Highlander owner's manual for any model-specific variations or additional details. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.